Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to change app icons in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have updated your iPhone or iPad to latest iOS version iOS 18 beta and want to change your app icons, I'll help you. How can you do this? So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings, and guys, now you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on general and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version iOS 18 beta. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now I am using iOS 18. So guys, simply you have to click and hold on your home screen, and guys, here you can see the option of edit. You have to click on edit button, and guys, you will see the option of customize and click on it. And guys, now you will see the multiple options. You can make your apps darker, light, or tinted. You can choose your color as you want. As you can see, the color of app icons has been changed. So guys, and if you want to increase the size of your app icons, you have to click on large. As you can see, app icons has been enlarged now on my iPhone. So guys, this is the way to change your app icons as you want on your iPhone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.